How to redeem codes on Wuthering Waves. The first things first is you'll have to download the app first. So these are going to be the available platforms in which you can download or play the game. So you can download it via the App Store on iOS. You can get it on Google Play Games on PS5, Epic Games Store, and also on Windows. Now, for you to be able to redeem the code, you'll have to get or prepare the code ready. Now, what you want to do next is go to a certain spot in which you can go ahead and summon people. Now, if you're already in the spot, then that's the time that you'll have to go to your menu or your game settings and go to the redemption page. You'll just have to key in the redemption code and just tap on redeem. So that's it. That's how you redeem codes on Wuthering Waves.